Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Okta. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you get started with using Okta and how it can be used as an identity management software. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Okta landing page. You can find this by typing in okta.com into your browser, and you can immediately log in if you already have an account, or try their free trial version. So if you're going to go through the free trial version, then you're going to have to fill in the details, and you're going to have to wait until they contact you through your email or through the email you provide. You can either choose a workforce identity cloud or customer identity cloud. So for workforce, you have pre-built integrations, user group and devices in one place, automated one-click user onboarding and offboarding. And then for customer identity cloud, you need to it's gonna let Auth0 handle the complexities of authorization, so you can focus on building your app. You'll also be redirected to auth0.com, which is becoming the Okta Customer Identity Cloud. But then again, what we're gonna be focusing on is the Workforce Identity Cloud. So once you've been in contact with Okta, they can actually tailor the trial specifically to your needs, and they're very accommodating in the email. So just feel free to keep in contact with them through your email once you signed up for your free trial. But today we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather on their website before you get started with Okta software. So first up, Okta is a leading identity and access management, or IAM, platform designed to secure and streamline user authentication for organizations. Okta helps manage user identities, enhance security, and improve productivity across applications and devices. So here we have for their products over here. So you have the free trial and pricing, customer identity cloud, single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, actions, passwordless, highly regulated identity, and you can explore customer identity cloud here. For workforce identity cloud, they also have the single sign-on, adaptive multi-factor authentication, identity governance, privileged access, identity threat protection, and you can explore more about Workforce Identity Cloud here. So let's try to check their pricing in case you want to go beyond their free trial. So here for the Workforce Identity Cloud, with $1,500 annual contract minimum, volume discounts are available for enterprise customers with 5,000 plus users. So single sign-on with SSO list price is at $2 per month, and here are the included features. So you have the Okta Integration Network, Threat Insight, Desktop and Mobile SSO, Security Question, Email as a Factor, Third-Party MFA Integration, Group and App Access Policy. So the whole list is here. You also have the multi-factor authentication. You can contact sales for this. For the MFA, you have the list price at $3 per user per month. For the adaptive MFA, you have the list price of $6 per user per month. And these are the included features. Now for Universal Directory, $2 per user per month. And Lifecycle Management at $4. API Access Management for $2. Device Access for $4. And Okta Privileged Access for $14 per resource unit per month. This is purchase a pool of resource units to use towards any resource type, such as a server or Okta PA user. There's also advanced server access for $15 and access gateway $3, workflows for light $4, medium $5, and unlimited starting at $6 per per month for the unlimited flows. You also have the identity governance with light, medium, and unlimited options. And finally, the identity threat protection at $4. So their plan subscriptions are quite extensive. So I recommend getting in touch with their sales so that maybe you can get a better quote, as well as determine what best suits your business needs. You can also check out the Customer Identity Cloud here. Okay, where you can get started with enterprise, B2C plans right here with essentials and professional as your option. And some more on B2C plans and B2B plans right here with two options as well. And then fine-grained authorization. So there, just again, feel free to reach out to the sales team so that you'll get a better idea on what best suits your needs. All right, so now we're going to head back to our main landing page, and then we're going to try to talk more about the key features of Okta, starting with, again, what we saw a while ago. So under products, we have the single sign-on, which allows for centralized access to multiple applications using one set of login credentials and supports thousands of integrations with cloud, on-premise, and custom apps. There's also a universal directory or a centralized directory to manage users, groups, and devices, and integrates with existing directories like Active Directory or LDAP. They also have this adaptive multi-factor authentication or MFA. So this enforces an additional layer of security with various authentication factors such as SMS, biometrics, or push notifications. And there's adaptive risk-based policies for smarter authentication decisions. Now for lifecycle management, Okta automates user provisioning and deprovisioning across applications, and it also ensures proper access is granted or removed as employees join, change roles, or leave. For API access management, Okta secures API endpoints with OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect standards, and also enables developers to implement secure use authentication for apps. For identity governance, auditing and reporting, features for compliance and user activity tracking, as well as automated workflows to enforce access reviews and approval processes. We also have, they also have the self-service password reset, which allows users to reset passwords or unlock accounts without IT intervention, as well as reducing help desk workload and improving overall user experience. Now, for cross-platform access, Okta supports secure access for mobile, desktop, and web applications. They also have native integrations with iOS, Android, and Windows environments. For security features, threat detection and monitoring to identify and mitigate security risks is always present, and integrations with security information and event management or SIEM tools are available. For Okta Integration Network or OIN, you have pre-built integrations with thousands of popular applications including Google Workspace, Salesforce, Slack, and Microsoft 365. For customizable access policies, you can create and enforce granular access policies based on user roles, location, device, or risk level. You can also define rules for session timeouts, re-authentication, and access restriction. Now for Zero Trust Framework, Okta implements a Zero Trust model by continuously verifying users and devices. They also protect sensitive data by limiting access to authenticated and authorized users. And finally, for developer-friendly tools, you have comprehensive SDKs and APIs for custom integrations and application development. Okta also supports multiple languages, including Java, Python, and Node.js. So those are the things that you get to expect when using Okta for your identity management. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.